Hitachi CP-TW3005, a short throw projector. I will just share with you regarding with my experience. Okay, so I encountered this before, the display ghosting. So I searched from the net, I cannot find a solution. I asked from technician in YouTube. He said you need to open the projector, check the optical lenses, maybe some alignment. So anyway, the projector has no warranty. So I followed, I checked, but I cannot find problem inside the projector. So when I browse the menu for this projector, I found the solution. So it took 3 months for me to find the solution. So I will show you how to remove the ghosting of the projector for the Hitachi TW3005. Okay, from the remote, just press menu, then you can see you cannot read it because it's a ghosting. Just in the lower part, this is a advanced menu. Just press the right. Okay, so from the menu we cannot find it anymore. See, option. Okay, this is option. Then under option you can see service. Okay, under service you can see ghost. You see, later I will show you if it is now. Okay, click, then for the just make it 0 to return it to the, you see. Okay, now it's okay now. So I will show again menu. This is advanced menu, and there advanced menu you can see option. Under option you can see click service. You have under service you have ghost. Okay, so it must be this one, it must be 0. Okay, so after 3 months of searching the solution, I found in the remote only. So okay, so thank you.